Hi, I'm Mikel Mangold, taking partnerships at ATLANT 3D. We live in a world with more and more chips, energy consumption, material scarcity. That means to sustain our pace of innovation, we have to improve processes and the manufacturing methods. Also, to produce existing applications, such as chips, sensors, batteries. And this is where ATLANT 3D come in. With our technology, we can reduce material waste in the production of new materials. We can enhance the properties and reduce energy consumption of some of the devices. We can change the performance and the properties for having more sensitivity for sensors, more energy for batteries, less energy consumption for semiconductors. So if that is something that interests you, please contact us. We're happy to discuss how do we make our world a better place to live in.